my creepy creeples, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the May 2020 horror pack. If you guys watched my last video, it was quite long, about almost 20 minutes, because I combined February, March, and April horror packs and that into one big video because there were a few shipping delays with everything going on. So we are finally getting caught up. I have only watched a couple movies from the big video that I filmed. I did watch the movie Life with Jake Gyllenhaal and Ryan Reynolds, and I really liked that one. Out of all the ones that I've watched, that one definitely stuck out the most to me. I really liked it. I was on the edge of my couch the whole time. I really did like that one. And then the other one I watched that I didn't really like was The Accidental Exorcism. I was really excited about it, and you know, when I started watching it, you know, I got excited because I thought it was like a really cool concept. But if you guys remember me saying that sometimes exorcism movies can be really, really good or really, really bad, Accidental Exorcism fell into that category. So unfortunately I didn't really like that one, and I still have to watch all of the other ones. You guys, that's a lot of movies to watch, and I'm trying to like get caught up. So I will talk back with you guys in the June horror pack and let you guys know what I thought of all of the other movies. If you guys do not know what horror pack is, it is a horror movie subscription service where every month you get 4 new DVD and or Blu-rays, and they are all horror movie genre related. If you guys are interested and you want to check them out, I will put a link right at the top of the description box. Don't worry, it's not an affiliate link. I'm not going to be getting any money off of your clicks. It's just a link that you can easily click on and access. You can get to their site, see what kind of packages they offer, see what kind of deals that they have, and consider subscribing. I am very blessed to be able to do these unboxings for you guys every single month. For those of you who are not a fan of horror movies and you watch anyway, I just want you to know that you are very much appreciated, and I love you guys so much from the bottom of my little black heart. So without further ado, we are going to open up this pack right here. I'm so excited. I have absolutely no idea what we're going to be getting inside. That's the thing with horror pack, and that's probably the thing that I like most about it. Every single month you're getting 4 movies and you have no idea what they are. They are all a huge surprise, so I love that whole aspect of it. So as we cut it open, as you can see, we have 4 new Blu-rays in here, and it looks like we have one with the slip cover, which sometimes, again, can be very hit or miss. So I think I'm going to start with the very bottom this time, and the very first movie that we have for the month of May in 2020 is... Yes! Yes! Okay, so the very first one that we got is The Forest, and really funny story. When I saw the trailer for this, I wanted so badly to go see it in theaters, and I never got the chance to. And then recently it came out on Netflix, and I watched it for the first time, and I really liked it. So now we're getting it in a horror pack, and seriously, we are off to such a great start. I really did like this movie. I thought it was going to be better than it was, but I still really enjoyed it. And so on the back it says, a young woman's hunt for her missing sister leads to horror and madness in this terrifying supernatural thriller when her troubled twin sister mysteriously disappears, which is Sarah Price. She discovers she vanished in Japan's infamous suicide forest. Searching its eerie dark woods, Sarah plunges into a tormented world where angry spirits lie in wait for those who ignore the warning. Never stray from the path. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I am so glad that I own this movie. Alright, and the next one I'm going to take off the very bottom again because we seem to be having some good luck with that. The second movie that we got in May 2020 is our Horror Pack Limited Edition. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, so this one is called Bong of the Living Dead. No, I'm not kidding. It literally says Bong of the Living Dead. What? This one's probably going to be a very interesting, cheesy movie, but I'll definitely watch it because I feel like it's going to be pretty fucking hilarious. So on the back it says, a story of 5 friends who share both a love of pot and lifelong dream to see the zombie apocalypse become reality. But when the undead actually rise to gruesomely and hilariously eat the living, the group discovers it's not all corpse-killing montages and mall raids, and that their relationships will be pushed to the limit if they're going to survive. So, as you can probably tell, this is definitely going to be more of like a horror comedy movie, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but this one sounds like it's going to be pretty fucking hilarious, so I will watch this one and let you guys know. I did get a few in the past where it had to do with like, pot in horror movie things. I just can't get into those guys. Like, if I'm gonna watch horror movies, like, fucking scare me, you know what I mean? But this one is gonna be pretty interesting, that's for sure. Alright guys, we have 2 movies left, and the next one is I'm gonna take the one with the slip cover, and this is our 3rd movie, and this one is dun, 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 Blood-Sucking Bastards. Alright, again, this one sounds like a movie that I may not really be interested in, so let's go ahead and see what it says on the back. Hey guys, Editing Bree here. Really quickly, I just wanted to pop on and kind of let you guys in on as to why I was looking out the window so much in this video. And the reason for that is because where I live, there are many children. I swear to God, they could make up their own little village of children. And they were outside playing ball very close to my vehicle, not really being the most careful. So I kept peeking out my window every couple of minutes to make sure they didn't smash my windshield out. So that's the reason for that. Okay, let's continue. On the back it says, an action-packed vampire comedy in the vein of Office Space and Shaun of the Dead, as Evan Sanders, a diltful and overworked employee stuck at a soul-killing corporation with his beautiful girlfriend Amanda, his slacker best friend Tim. Evan's world begins to crumble when Amanda dumps him and his boss, Ted, hands his coveted promotion to his nemesis Max. That's when Evan's convinced that life couldn't bite any harder, his office mates start going through disturbing changes, and bodies begin to pile up. Evan must find a way to stop the evil brewing amidst the cubicles and water coolers, win back Amanda, and rescue his workplace pals before his life and career go from dead end to just dead. Again, it sounds like we have another horror comedy here. I've never heard of this. I have no idea if it's going to be any good. If any of you guys have seen this movie, please let me know down below what I am getting myself into. Alright, and the very last movie that we have for the month of May 2020 is... Okay, alright guys, here we go. The next one that we got is The Exorcist 3. Now, if you guys remember from, I think it was like a few months ago, we did get The Exorcist 2 in a horror pack, and they included the 3rd one in this month, which I'm so excited about. I honestly can't remember when the last time I actually watched this movie, and I don't even think I've seen it all the way through, if I'm being perfectly honest with you guys. I'm very excited about this. Now I have Exorcist 1, 2, and now 3. So this one was done in 1990, and on the back it said, a woman crawls by unnoticed on the ceiling like a fly. A long dead killer claims victim after victim. Flames erupt, snakes slither. The ground opens and reveals a withering pit of the damned. The evil is back. Also back is the creative force whose novel and Oscar-winning screenplay shaped the trailblazing The Exorcist, adopting his novel Legion. William Peter Blatty writes and directs The Exorcist 3, a jolting foray into terror that begins where the first film ended. George C. Scott plays police officer Lieutenant Kinderman, investigating mysterious murders. Kinderman doesn't believe in demons and possession. Not yet. Jason Miller reprises his priestly role from the original, and look for Samuel L. Jackson's pro basketball's Patrick Ewing and more bit role surprises. So I am very excited about this. So not only do we have William Peter Blatty doing The Exorcist 3, but it sounds like we're gonna have a few familiar faces from the first one in it. And if the original Exorcist was so unbelievably mind-blowing scary, especially for a movie to come out back in the day like that, if he can kind of bring that same fear and fright in the 3rd one, then I'm very excited. Overall, you guys, I think we got a pretty darn good pack for the month of May. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have seen any of these movies, make sure you go down in the comments and let me know which ones you've seen, which ones you like, which ones do you think I will like. Of course, also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go down and give it a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel. I love you guys so much. As always, stay creepy, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys.